वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल से टू स्टडी पॉइंट बाय गिरीश चंद्र सेठ। आज मैं गिरीश चंद्र सेठ आपको इस वीडियो के माध्यम से, इस डायग्राम के माध्यम से नाइट्रोजन साइकिल और उसके घटक फिक्सेशन, अमोनिफिकेशन, न्यूट्रिफिकेशन, एसिमिलेशन, एमोनिया वोलेटाइजेशन और डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन के संबंध में जानकारी देने का प्रयास कर रहा हूँ। आप लोग इसे ध्यान से देखें, पढ़ें, ताकि आपके जो परीक्षा में आने वाले सवाल हैं सही हो सके, और आपको शेयर करके सेव कर लेना चाहिए ताकि आपको समय पर इधर उधर न ढूंढना पड़े। आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। नाइट्रोजन साइकिल इन सॉइल साइंस। द नाइट्रोजन साइकिल इज़ ए वाइटल प्रोसेस इन soil science as it converts nitrogen from the atmosphere into a form that's usable by plants. Here is a simplified overview. Nitrogen fixation. Certain microorganisms like rhizobia converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia or nitrate. Ammonification में microorganisms break down organic matter releasing ammonia. नाइट्रिफिकेशन, नाइट्रेट बैक्टीरिया, एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर नाइट्रोसोमोनास कन्वर्ट्स अमोनिया इनटू नाइट्राइट विच इज़ देन कन्वर्टेड टू नाइट्रेट बाय नाइट्रेट बैक्टीरिया नाइट्रोबैक्टर। एसिमिलेशन में प्लांट्स एब्जॉर्ब नाइट्रेट एंड अमोनिया फ्रॉम द सॉइल एंड कन्वर्ट दैम इनटू amino acids which are used to build. Ammonia volatilization. Ammonia is released back into the atmosphere through microbial activity or chemical reaction. Denitrification. Microorganisms convert nitrate back into atmospheric nitrogen, completing the cycle. Understanding the nitrogen cycle is essential for maintaining soil fertility, managing fertilization applications and mitigating environmental impact like water pollution. Would you like me to elaborate on any specific aspect of the nitrogen cycle? Then nitrogen cycle in agriculture. The nitrogen cycle plays a crucial role in agriculture. Here is a brief overview. Nitrogen fixation. Certain bacteria like rhizobia converts atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form, ammonia for plants. Assimilation. Plant absorbs ammonia and nitrate from the soil, using them to synthesize amino acids, nucleotides and chlorophyll. Ammonification. Microorganisms break down organic matter, releasing ammonia into the soil. Nitrification. Bacteria like Nitrosomas and Nitrobacter convert ammonia into nitrate, making it available to plants. Denitrification. Microorganisms convert nitrate back into atmospheric nitrogen, completing the cycle. In agriculture, understanding the nitrogen cycle helps manage fertilizer application, balancing nitrogen input to minimize waste and environmental impact. Soil health. Maintaining optimal soil conditions for microbial activity and nutrient cycling. Crop selection. Choosing crops that effectively use nitrogen like legumes with nitrogen fixing bacteria. Would you like to know more about nitrogen management in agriculture? Then nitrogen cycle in aquatic ecosystem. The nitrogen cycle in aquatic ecosystem is a crucial for maintaining water quality and supporting aquatic life. Here is a breakdown of the process. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixing bacteria like cyanobacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia or other compounds. Amino fixation. Ammonia is released into the water through decomposition or organic matter or excretion by aquatic organism. Nitrification. Beneficial bacteria such as nitrosomes and nitrobacter convert ammonia into nitrite and then nitrate. Assimilation, aquatic plants, algae and some bacteria absorb nitrite or ammonia to fuel growth. Denitrification, denitrifying bacteria convert nitrate back into atmospheric nitrogen, completing the cycle. This delicate balance ensures nutrient availability and help maintain healthy aquatic ecosystem. Then nitrogen cycle diagram explanation. The nitrogen cycle diagram illustrates the process by which nitrogen is converted between its various forms in the environment. Here is a breakdown of the different stages. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen from the atmosphere is converted into a usable form by certain bacteria such as rhizobia and lightning. Ammonification. Organic matter like dead plants and animals releases ammonia into the soil. Nitrification. Ammonia is converted into nitrite and then nitrate by nitrifying bacteria such as nitrosomes and nitrobacter. Assimilation. Plants absorb nitrate from the soil and convert it into amino acids which are used to build protein. Ammonia reabsorption. Some ammonia is reabsorbed by plants and microorganisms. Denitrification. Nitrate is converted back into nitrogen gas by nitrifying bacteria such as Pseudomonas, releasing it back into the atmosphere. Decomposition. Dead plants and animals release nitrogen-rich compounds back into the soil. This cycle highlights the continuous process of nitrogen conversion and its importance for life on Earth. Then nitrogen cycle process steps. The nitrogen cycle is an essential process that converts atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for living organisms. Here is key steps involved. Nitrogen fixation. Certain bacteria such as rhizobia converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia or other nitrogen containing compounds. Ammonification. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi break down organic matter, releasing ammonia into the soil. Nitrification. Nitrification bacteria, nitrosomes and nitrobacter convert ammonia into nitrite and then into nitrates. Assimilation. Plants absorb nitrate from the soil and convert them into amino acids which are used to build proteins. Ammonia reabsorption. When plants and animals die, their organic matter is decomposed, releasing ammonia back into the soil. Denitrification. Denitrification bacteria convert nitrates back into the atmospheric nitrogen, completing the cycle. This easy step highlights the complex process of nitrogen cycling, which is crucial for maintaining life on Earth. इस प्रकार आपको नाइट्रोजन की साइकिल के संबंध में अवगत कराया गया। जो प्रश्न इसमें हैं सभी को इसमें शामिल कर लिया गया है विगत परीक्षाओं में। नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, अमोनिफिकेशन, नाइट्रिफिकेशन, एसिमिलेशन, अमोनिया वोलेटाइजेशन और डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन के संबंध में आपको भली भांति अवगत कराया गया है। आप इसको गौर से पढ़िए और देखिए वीडियो को और लाभ उठाइए। अगर आप नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।